Hi everyone, today is the 14th day of 30 days new word learning challenge. So in this challenge, I daily bring some new word for you from the newspaper, article or from any interview. So today first word is dichotomy. Dichotomy means split into two complete opposite parts. For example, online life, real life, good or bad, rich and poor, this type of situation. For example, there is a clear dichotomy between online life and the real life. It means both are different, online life and real life. Another example, the movie shows the dichotomy of the rich and poor. Next, pageant. Pageant means a show or the event often with the performance, costume, or the competition like the beauty contest. Example is she won the first place in the city beauty pageant. Wherever you are thinking it's a beauty context, that place you can directly use the pageant word. It's an advanced word. Or another cultural event or the any historical event like Christmas event, so that places you can use where you are thinking the people come in the costume to performance the show. For example, kids dressed up for the Christmas pageant. Next, convoluted means very complicated and hard to understand. For example, his explanation was so convoluted, I got confused. She gave a convoluted answer instead of the something simple. Or the if anyone talking with you and giving instruction to you, but you are not able to get at that places you can use the instructions was unnecessarily convoluted. Means he given the instructions to you in the very complicated or the not understandable way. Next, prevalent. Prevalent means common or widely seen things. For example, stress is a prevalent among the college students. Fast food culture is a prevalent in the cities. So it's a very common thing. So that places you can use the prevalent. Next, parity. Parity means equality or being at the same level. The goal is to achieve the gender parity at work. Gender parity is still not existing at all type of work. So you can use this parity word anywhere you are, even where you wanted to use the same level, or you wanted to say that ki level is not same. So in that both sense you can use it. Another example, the match ended in the parity means same level at a tie level. So you can use this word it is very common. Springboard. Springboard means something that helps you to start or jump into the something bigger. For example, this project could be springboard for your career. Or another example, it's very common. Social media can be springboard for talent. Springboard for talent means it become the start point for the talent. So all world can all world can see that talent. Next, this role is a just springboard to bigger opportunity. So you can use this springboard in this way. So these are the all words. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.